Hi, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Salumi Samuel Sambo. I'm a Nigerian born and brought up here in Nigeria. So basically on this channel I came about lifestyle, relationship, marriage, beauty, faith, business, career, health, fashion, name it, everything that evolves around lifestyle. We're going to be discussing all of those stuff over here on this channel. So if you're interested to see more of this, then you need to press the subscribe button below, which is the red button below by supporting me and being one of my family members. Okay, yes, so I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back to see this video. I love you guys. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with us how I make my African salad, which is common by the Igbo people here in Nigeria. So I'm from the northern part, but I so much love Abacha, and so I decided to share with you guys how the process on how I make my Abacha. So if you're interested to see this, then you need to see the video to the end. Oops, guys, before we jump into that, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please click. Okay, like, comment and share. Let's jump right into it. My oil, but that is already mixed with crayfish. I'm just adding some potassium. Yeah, you see the color has changed. It's changed to a little bit of orange color. I'll just stir it properly. Then I've added my Abacha, added a little bit of the oil to make it more reddish. So I'll be adding my onions, my chopped onions, some pepper, yeah, some garden egg, and some uba. Yes, so I'll just add my garden egg leaf that has already been cut. After pouring it, all I'll just do is I'm gonna drop that over there, then I'll mix them together. Okay, yummy. And our abacha is ready. It's an easy way, like so guys, you see abacha is ready. All I'll just do is just to dish it, and I'll just munch on it. Oh wow,